Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing right. So in this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important thing that I do in my trading, which really has been able to help me get consistent results over the long term. And if you guys apply this, I'm telling you, your results will improve and you can do this from today, right after watching this video. That sounds pretty cool, I know, and it is. So make sure that you watch until the end of the video to not miss any important information. And by the way, guys, as you can see, I have a new microphone with me. So this is a gift that my girlfriend got me for my birthday. And normally it should really improve the sound. So, you know, before when I was recording the videos like this, we would hear the echo in my office simply because I only have the trading desk directly and a couch. I don't have anything else really, so there's a lot of echo. I like to keep it simple. I like to really only have what I need, but at the same time it creates some echo in the videos. But with this microphone, normally the sound should be much better. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think of the sound, and also, as always, you can leave a like under the video. I would really appreciate it, and make sure as well that you are subscribed to the channel if it's not already done. So well, let's get right into it. So what am I talking about here? Now, it's a pretty simple concept in itself, but you guys will see that there are a lot of nuances in it, and that it's really in the way that you apply it that it makes all the difference. So I've been trading, you know, for almost 6 years now. I've been profitable basically from the start. It took me 15 months to you know, get on a live account. So before that, I was learning, I was practicing on the demo account. And after that, when I made the switch to having a live account, well, it was really good, you know, and I was already doing quite well, and I was getting good results simply because I really took the time to learn properly how to do it. And so one of the things that I've been doing really since that time, and that I'm still doing today, is simply that I am taking less trades during least volatile periods. So for example, during Christmas and during summer. So right now, as I'm recording the video, we are in the middle of July, and around that time of the year, usually, not all the time, there is less volatility on market. So between, you know, July and August, most of the time it's more quiet. And during these periods, I really try to take the least amount of trades possible. So I'll give you guys my current example and you will see what I mean. In the last year, I've been holding on average 10 trades, I would say, in my portfolio. So on average, I've had, you know, around 10 open positions at the same time in my portfolio. Right now, at the time of recording this video, again, we are in the middle of July, I only have 4 positions open on the market, and these are really long-term trades. So all of this to say that my current exposure on markets is extremely small. I don't have a lot of positions, and that's what I want. That makes perfect sense because, again, we are summer, and during that period, I do not want to have a lot of positions. It's much better to not be exposed to the markets. Now, again, as I said, there are a lot of nuances. So for example, if you find a really, really good setup, okay, if there's everything that there needs to be for the setup to work and to really have high probability of success, am I going to take the trade? The answer is yes, okay? So I don't fully limit myself, okay? If I really find a good opportunity, I'm still going to take the trade regardless. Even if it's summer, even if it's Christmas, I don't care. I'll still take the trade. Now, if it's really during a holiday, I might skip that day. I might wait for the next day or maybe the next week, right? Something like that. I'll have to adjust a bit the timing of when I get in the trade. But if there's really a good setup that is playing out, I'll still take the trade. So I don't fully limit myself, but at the same time, if I find, let's say, a setup, but if it's not perfect, if there are some things missing, I will not take the trade. So I really try to filter even more my trades. And if you guys know a bit about my trading, you know that I don't take a lot of trades. I really do filter my trades a lot. If there's something missing, if there's something not clear, I don't take the trade. And it's even more true and more important during these periods like summer. So my tip for you guys is to simply do the same thing. Don't take a lot of trades. Don't open a lot of positions. Don't try to bet big on markets around that time, because most of the time markets are not moving. And if you see a breakout, well, it will mostly fail simply because, well, you need to ask yourself the question, who is taking the breakout? Okay, who is buying? Well, if everyone is on vacation, well, I don't know who is buying, but it might not be very reliable. Okay, so it's better to buy on breakouts that everyone is looking for and that everyone is seeing and that the whole market is moving around. Okay, so it's really important to understand these kind of flows that come into the market and really try to base your trading on that, and when you should take trades and when you should not take trades. So most of the time it's better to not take the trades, right? Because they will not work. They will either give you break even, losses, maybe small win, right? But you know, most of the trades are not going to work and they're not going to give you big money. Okay, so it's best to limit your trading, especially during these times. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I suggest you guys to do. As simple as that, right? Don't over, you know, complicate everything. Just make sure that during these periods you trade less, and you will see that when you take every bit of information that I talk about in all my videos and you put that together, this is when really you will become more consistent. So for example, when you have a good trading style that fits your personality, when you journalize your trade, when you know what you're doing, when you use fundamentals, when you don't trade, you know, for example, too much during summer, when you keep a good risk management, right, and so on and so forth. If you take all of this and put that together, this is really how you will get the best results possible. I talk about all of these things on YouTube. I talk about them in even more detail, in a more structured way inside of the course. And by the way, if you guys are interested in the course, the link is always in the description box below. I don't really often talk about it, but that was just as a reminder, right? But yes, right, so that's really what you have to do. You just need to take everything that I explained in all of these videos, and as time goes by, as you start to implement all of these things, I'm telling you, you will become much better, much more consistent, and that in itself will give you much better results, especially over the long term. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a short one to share this with you guys. I was thinking about that this morning, and I was like, wow, I need to put this on video. And also at the same time to introduce you guys to my new microphone, which I hope you guys enjoyed the sound. Normally, as I said, it should be much better than what I was doing before. So on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.